This is lesson 5 in our series on using articles. In this episode, we'll have a look at some examples and why it has a, the, or nothing. I'd like a drink. A drink, because I don't mean any specific bottle. I want to buy the basketball. The basketball, because there is only one, so you know which one I mean. I want to buy potatoes. No the, because any potatoes are okay. No a, because I mean more than one. Jack is a doctor. A doctor, because this classifies Jack by occupation. The referee was annoyed. The referee, because you know which one I mean. In this game, there is only one. I gave my homework to the teacher. The teacher, because you know I mean the teacher for this class. I like chocolate. No the, because I mean chocolate in general. No article, because chocolate is non-count. Would you like a chocolate? Ah, because I mean one serving, and any one is okay. No salt. Salt is non-count. I mean any salt. Pass the salt. The salt, because I know which salt I mean. Okay, by now I hope you feel more confident about the main uses of articles in English. It is a complex area, and there are other complexities. But if you can master these rules, you will be right most of the time.